looking behind the scenes of Porsche's designers. This is known as tape drawing. Here, the new Cayenne E-Hybrid is taking shape. Let's look back at the development of the third generation of the Cayenne. The SUV is an entirely new car with a lot more electronics, expanded communication tools, a new design, and of course, new engines. The Cayenne is designed to be sold throughout the world. The technical requirements in Europe may be different from those in the US or Asia, but improving fuel efficiency and lowering emissions are relevant issues everywhere. This is another reason why Porsche is focusing on hybridization. Here in the prototype workshop, the first Cayennes are being built so that they can be tested all over the world. The pattern of these tests remains the same for each series: hot countries, cold regions. However, a Porsche SUV needs to perform well off-road too, and with every type of engine.
We're interested in finding the faults. That is why we go to all the trouble. We want to drive lots of kilometers under different conditions, which means we want to see cities, we want to see country roads, and we want to see mountains. To find as many faults as possible, and of course, to fix them.
The spring of 2017, first of complete vehicles tests in northern Spain. The Cayenne E-Hybrid is here too, slightly camouflaged, just like the other SUV derivatives. May 2018, presenting the new Cayenne E-Hybrid on the road in southern France. The power of the combustion engine combined with the electric drive adds up to 340 kilowatts or 462 horsepower. The power of the electric drive has increased by 43%, which was made possible by a substantially increased battery capacity. The liquid-cooled high-voltage battery, which is installed in the rear of the vehicle, can be fully charged from a 230-volt power outlet in just under 8 hours. The increase in power described makes it clear that the development towards improved hybrid systems with a higher performance and lower consumption and emission levels, and in particular with more powerful batteries that can be charged more rapidly, is at the very heart of Porsche's program. Whatever counts today will be surpassed tomorrow. However, even now the overall picture presented by the current Cayenne E-Hybrid is one to be proud of. In terms of connectivity, assistance systems, running gear and entertainment, the SUV fulfills all the high-end needs of its prospective customers. Even more so when it comes to road performance. The electric drive generates 136 horsepower and has a range of up to 44 kilometers. The advantage of the E-mode is to select it when it makes sense, cruising along country roads for example, and of course in town traffic, entirely free of emissions. Tapping the accelerator switches on the combustion engine, pushing the car up to 253 km per hour, while also charging the battery when in charge mode. The Cayenne E-Hybrid brings together everything that distinguishes Porsche today.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.